ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा केचित पक्ष वी आर सीइंग started on page number 89. So according to this paksha, एवं धूमादावन्वय व्याप्तिम अविदुषोपि व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञानात् वन्य ज्ञानम इति अविवादम. He says व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति is in a person who does not know अन्वय व्याप्ति. Through व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञानात् वन्य ज्ञानम can be there. And it is anumana jnanam, means it is anumiti, it is not arthapatti. Tacca anumitireva vannim anuminomi iti anuvyavasayat. Because based on the anuvyavasaya jnanam, that person will think. So anuvyavasaya jnanam is, I have done vanni anumanam through vyatireka vyapti. So there is no arthapatti, it is anumiti. Further, page number 91, second line in Tika. न च क्लुप्त कारण व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्याभावात् कथम अनुमितिरित्युक्तम् इति वाच्यम्. व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य सत्वात्. क्लुप्त कारण व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अभावात्. क्लुप्त मीन्स प्राप्त और स्वीकृत. कारण व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अभावात्. If such कारण व्याप्ति ज्ञानम is not there, how do you say it is anumiti? Katham anumitihi iti uktam iti nacha vachyam. Kechid Mata says there should not be such objection. Why? Vyatireka vyapti jnanasya sattvat. Tripta karana vyapti jnanam is not there, but Vyatireka vyapti jnanam is there. Vyatireka vyapti jnanam, he Purva Pakshi gave the drashtanta of what is the Nyaya Paksha Vyatireka Vyapti Jnanam Drashtanta, Vyatireka Anumana Drashtanta. Everyone.
यत्र यत्र वह्निमभावः तत्र तत्र धूमाभावः.
What is your Drashtanta for Vyatireka Vyapti? When do you use Vyatireka Vyapti? Prithvi itarebhyo vidyate gandhavatvat. This is the Vyatireka Vyapti. Because there is no Anvai Drashtanta here. Prithvi itarebhyo vidyate. This came or not last couple of classes back?
It came, Swami.
पृथ्वी इतरेभ्यो भिद्यते. This is the example according to Nyaya Darshan in Tarka Sangraha. This is the Drishtanta for Vyatireka Vyapti. So he says Vyatireka Vyapti Jnanasya Sattvad. To Vyatireka Vyapti Jnanam, that is the Drishtanta where Anvaya Drishtanta is not there, they will use Vyatireka Vyapti. There is no Sapaksha. What is the Vyapti in that? Prithvi itarebhyo vidyate gandhavatvat. What is the Vyapti?
यत्र यत्र गन्धवत्वं तत्र तत्र इतरेभ्यो भिन्नत्वम्.
यत्र यत्र गंधवत्वम तत्र तत्र इतरेभ्यो भिन्नत्वम. This is Prithvi. This is Itara. Itara Bhinna means Prithvi. Wherever there is Gandha, it is Itara Bhinna. Means it is Prithvi. But instead of saying it is Prithvi, they can't say it is Prithvi because Prithvi is Paksha. So they say Itara Bhinnatvam. Nacha etad anumiti akaranam iti vachya. Siddhanti will say this is not anumiti karanam. This does not become karana for anumiti. If Siddhanti says, Puravaksha, this Kechid Mata says, iti nacha vachyam. No, this can become anumiti karana. Means Vyatireki Vyapti can produce anumiti. This is what Kechid Mata is saying. How? Swa Vyabhichara Dhi Virodhi Dhi Vishaya Vyapti Jnanatvena Vyapti Jnanasya Anumiti Hetutvat Asya cha Vyatireka Vyapti Jnana Sadharanatvat. You take Sa as Anvaya. Swa means Anvaya. Then what will be the Vakya? Anvaya Vyabhichara Dhi Virodhi Dhi Vishaya Vyapti Jnanam. तद व्याप्ति ज्ञानत्वेन व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमिति है. व्याप्ति ज्ञानम इज अनुमिति हेतु. व्याप्ति ज्ञानम इज अनुमिति हेतु. हाउ? व्याप्ति ज्ञानत्वेन. दिस वी सॉ अर्लियर. Multiple pages back we saw
अनुमतिश्च व्याप्तिज्ञानत्वेन व्याप्तिज्ञानजन्या.
अनुमितिश्च व्याप्ति ज्ञानत्वेन व्याप्ति ज्ञानजन्या. And we had eliminated all the other possibilities like anuvyavasaya jnanam ityadi ityadi. So just as Anvaya Vyapti, if it is there, Vyapti Jnanatvena, Vyapti Jnanasya Anumiti Hetutvam, Hetutva. Then, if Swa means Anvaya, Anvaya Vyabhicharadhi, in Anvaya Vyapti, whatever is the Vyabhichara Jnanam, Vyabhichara is, Hetu is present, Sadhya is not there. In Anvaya Vyapti, if Hetu is there, Sadhya is not there. Tad Vyabhichara Jnana Virodhi Jnana. Means there is no Vyabhichara. स्व व्यभिचार धी विरोधी धी विषय व्याप्ति ज्ञान. So as long as vyabhichar is not there, then vyapti jnanatvena anvaya vyapti jnanam is anumiti hetu. Exactly in the same way, instead of swa, you put vyatireka. Vyatireka vyabhichara dhi virodhi dhi vishaya vyapti jnanatvena व्यतिरेक ज्ञानम अपि व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य व्यतिरेक ज्ञाने अपि व्याप्ति ज्ञानस्य अनुमिति हेतुत्वम्. व्यतिरेक ज्ञान also as vyapti jnanam, it can produce anumiti. Like how in this prithvi itarebhyo bhinna gandhavatvat, you have vyatireka vyapti also. Yat itarebhyo na bhinnam na tad gandhavatvam. Itara, what is itara in that drashtanta?
Six padarthas and all other dravyas.
6 padarthas and all other dravyas. All of that is itara. Prithvi, itara. Yad itarebhyo na bhinna. That which is not different from itara means it is one of the itara. If it is one of the itara, na tad gandhavatvam. As long as that vyatireka vyapti does not have vyabhichara, swa vyabhichara dhi virodhi dhi vishaya vyapti jnanatvena vyapti jnanasya anumiti hetutvat. And therefore asya cha व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञान साधारणत्वात्. This व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति and अन्वय व्याप्ति, as long as both vyapti jnanam has vyapti jnanatvam, it is anumiti hetu according to Kechit Paksha. Vyatireka vyapti jnana sadharana. Sadharana means it doesn't matter whether it is अन्वय और व्यतिरेक. सी सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी. व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञानम अपि अनुमिति करण. इफ अन्वय व्याप्ति ज्ञानम व्याप्ति ज्ञानत्वेन अनुमिति करणम, व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञान साधारण मीन्स समानम. अस्य च, अस्य मीन्स दिस लक्षण, स्व व्यभिचार धी विरोधी धी विषय व्याप्ति ज्ञानत्वेन व्याप्ति ज्ञानम अनुमिति हेतु. So same is true for Vyatireka Vyapti Jnanam also. As long as there is no Vyabhichara in that. Is this clear? These 3-4 lines?
Yes, Swamiji.
Everybody else?
Yes.
Okay. Further, Nanu. अनुमानस्य व्यतिरेकितया अपि प्रामाण्य अभ्युपगमे तत्रैव अर्थापत्तेरन्तर्भावापत्तौ सपृथक् प्रमाणम् इति राद्धान्तो भज्येत इति चेत्. Some Ekadeshi or Vedanti is saying, if you take Anumana having Vyatireka Vyapti, Anumanasya Vyatireki Anumanam, if you accept, Vyatirekitaya Pramanya Abhyupagame. I hope you remember what is the context. If you don't know the bigger picture, you will definitely get lost. Who wants to tell me what is the bigger picture going on?
Vedanti is not accepting Anvaya Vyatireka Vyapti.
Then?
only Anvaya Vyapti is what.
Correct. Then, what is the discussion here?
Shikhamani is showing and proving that Anvaya Vyapti has a relevance. And can be accepted.
Somebody else?
Arthapatti would be sufficient for proving that.
According to Siddhanti, Arthapatti is what is needed. And what is Siddhanti not accepting?
Vyatireka Vyapti and Keval Vai.
Vyatireka Vyapti. Siddhanti is not accepting Vyatireka Vyapti. And Siddhanti is saying you should have Arthapatti. Arthapatti will do the job. Shikhamani is trying to say not Anvaya Vyapti. Shikhamani is saying that Vyatireka Vyapti will produce Anumiti. Siddhanti refuted this by saying Vyatireka Vyapti will not produce Anumiti. That's why you need another Pramanam called Arthapatti. This picture should be clear to you. Now you see this paragraph. Nanu anumanasya vyatireki api pramanya apivagame. If you accept anumanam as vyatireki also, vyatireki vyapti anumanam also, if you accept apivagame, then Arthapatti will be included in vyatireka anumanam according to Nyaya Paksha. Tatraiva Arthapattehe antarbhavat. Antarbhavapattau. So Antarbhavapatti will be there, Arthapatti will be included in Vyatireki Vyapti, Vyatireka Anuman. Sa Pruthak Pramanam iti Radhanto Bhajyeta. Sa Arthapatti. That Arthapatti is a separate Pramanam, Pruthak Pramanam. This Radhantaha means Siddhantaha. Radha Siddhau, I think. That's Siddhatu. Radha Siddhau. Means in Siddhanta, Radhanta means Siddhanta. In Vedanta Siddhanta, where Arthapatti is accepted as Prathak Pramanam, Bhajyeta, it will get refuted. Upapakshi says, you are accepting separate Pramanam. We are not accepting. It is your problem. He doesn't say like that. Bhajyeta iti chet tarhi. So Siddhanti says, means this Kechid Mata people will say. If Siddhanti says, then what will happen to Arthapatti if it is included within Vyatireka Vyapti? He says it is not necessary that you have to let go of Arthapatti. He says just as Pratyaksha Pramanam and Anumanam Pramanam. So Anumana, just because somewhere you can do Anumanam does not mean now you don't need Pratyaksha. Why? Because Anumanam is there. Pratyaksha is separate Pramanam, Anupana is separate Pramanam. Like that, you can have Vyatireka Vyapti in Anumanam and you can still have Arthapatti. And you can use Arthapatti Pramanam where you may not be able to use Vyatireka Vyapti, or for same thing you can have two Pramanams. That is what he is explaining here. Anumanasya pramanye samshayadi uttara pratyaksha sthale chakshuradehe pramanyam na syat tatra anumiti samagri satvena anumitereva utpattehe. अनुमानस्य प्रामाण्ये संशयादि उत्तर प्रत्यक्ष स्थले where anumana pramana you are using, and if there is samshaya, अनुमानस्य प्रामाण्ये संशयादि उत्तर samshaya comes, anumana pramana you use, then some samshaya can come. Then after that, uttar means paschat, you are using pratyaksha. So pratyaksha sthale chakshuradehe pramanyam na syad. Why? Because you started with anumanam. So you say, okay, we will use only anumana as pramanam, not chakshuradi, not pratyaksha. Or you say only pratyaksha is pramanam, anumanam you get rid of. There is no such need. Tatra anumiti samagri sattvena anumitehe eva utpattehe. Somebody means Kechit Mata is arguing this way. Chakshuradi will not be pramanam because anumiti samagri is there. Anumiti samagri sattvena anumiti will be there. So you don't need chakshuradi pratyaksha pramanam. So anumanasya pramanye, then after that samshayadi uttar pratyaksha sthale, you can put comma between these two. Otherwise that statement is confusing slightly. Anumana, you have accepted anumana as praman. Then when there is a samshaya, after samshaya where you use pratyaksha, in that place, if you also have anumiti samagri, means you have paksha. What is the anumiti samagri? According to Nyaya, tell me what is anumiti samagri. What all things I need?
Paksha Hetu Vyapti.
Paksha Hetu Vyapti. Anybody else? What is the first jnana?
Vyapti Paramarsha.
Vyapti Paramarsha. What is Paramarsha?
Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata Jnana.
Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata. So you don't give the answer as Paksha Hetu Vyapti. You need Vyapti Vishishta Paksha Dharmata. So Vyapti Jnanam is needed. Then Tad Vishishta Paksha Dharmata. What is Paksha Dharmata?
Dhuma.
Dhuma in Paksha. Paksha Dharmata means Hetu I should see in Paksha. So Vyapti is there. Vyapti Vishishta Hetu is there. Hetu is present in Paksha. Then I will be able to use that information, that jnanam for anumiti. So this is anumiti samagri. Anumiti samagri sattva. And according to Vedanta Paksha, what is anumiti samagri?
Samskar.
Vyapti, samskar. Samagri sattvena. And one more thing was said in that samskar also. What was that?
Udbhuta.
Udbuddha. So Udbodhanam is what is needed. So given C on page 85 in Moolam. एवंच अयम धूमवान इति पक्षधर्मता ज्ञानेन धूमो वह्निव्याप्य इति अनुभवाहित संस्कार उद्बोधे च सति वह्निमान इति अनुमितिर्भवति। न तु मध्ये व्याप्ति स्मरणं तज्जन्य वह्निव्याप्य धूमवान इत्यादि विशेषण विशिष्टम ज्ञानम वा हेतुत्वेन कल्पनीयम्। In that Gaurava and Pramana Abhava is there. Okay, so now we don't say Pratyaksha is not Pramanam if Anumiti Samagri is there and where there is Samshaya, we can use Anumiti also. So that doesn't make Pratyaksha a Pramana. Tatha also Shabda Sthale api Shabdo na Pramanam Syat एते पदार्थास तात्पर्य विषय परस्पर संसर्गवन्तः आकांक्षादिमत् पद कदम्ब स्मारितत्वाद् इति अनुमानेनैव क्लुप्त प्रमाण भावेन, not अभावेन. In your Kailash book, what is it said? क्लुप्त प्रमाण
भावेन स्वामीजी.
भावेन. क्लुप्त प्रमाण भावेन तात्पर्य विषय संसर्ग प्रतीतेः संभवात्. तथा शाब्द स्थले अपि शब्दो न प्रमाणम स्यात्. Ekadashi or this Kechit Mata person is saying Shabda Sthala, where Shabda is Pramanam, you will say Shabda is not Praman. Why? Because instead of Shabda Pramanam, we will do Anumana Pramanam. So Shabda is also Pramanam, Anumana is also Pramanam. What is that Shabda Sthala? He gives Drishtanta. एते पदार्थाः तात्पर्य विषय परस्पर संसर्गवन्तः. एते पदार्थाः, दिस इज पक्ष. तात्पर्य विषय परस्पर संसर्गवन्तः, दिस इज साध्य. आकांक्षादिमत् पद कदम्ब स्मारितत्वात्, दिस इज हेतु. Drishtanta they have not given. This is just to explain that where Shabda Pramana works, Shabda Pramana will work where Shabda in the form of padas connected with each other will produce Vakya. Those padas will have Akanksha, then what is the next thing? Vakya, Shabda Jnanam, what do they need?
योग्यता सन्निधि.
Akanksha, Yogyata, Sannidhi. Yesterday, where we stopped in Siddhanta Bindu, this is the next sentence. In Tarka Sangra, we have seen Akanksha, Yogyata, Sannidhi. And Vedanta will accept Tatparya Jnanam also. So, Akanksha-dimat, Akanksha-diman pada, pada kadamba, pada samuha. So each pada will have Akanksha, Yogyata, they have Sannidhi next to each other, etc. Akanksha-dimat pada kadamba smaritatvat. And therefore, ete padarthaha tatparya vishaya paraspara sansargavantaha. These padartha, Gam, Dandena, Anaya, padarthaha, they are connected with each other with Tatparya Vishaya Paraspara Sansarga. So such Anumanam you will do, Anumanena eva, Kripta Praman Bhavena, Prapta Praman Bhava, Anumana has Pramana. So then what will happen? Through that, Tatparya Vishaya Sansarga Pratitehe Sambhavat. Tatparya Vishaya Sansarga Pratiti means paraspara samsarga, which is the sadhya in this anumana. Tatparya vishaya sansarga pratitehe sambhavat. So through anumanam there is pramanyam. You are able to do anumanam. Shabda will not be pramanam. Shabda is still pramanam. So he says, if you think in this way, that where vyatireka vyapti is pramanam, arthapatti will not be separate pramanam, then in that case, where pratyaksha and anumanam both are there, pratyaksha you will eliminate. Where shabda and anumanam both are there, shabda you will eliminate. It is not necessary. You will have all the pramanams, they have their vishaya. This is, you have to remember, this is Kechit Matam. So Shikhamanikara has done his way of analyzing. Further, yadi sthanum sakshat karomi shabdat amum artham janami iti anuvyavasayat pratyaksha shabdayoho prathak pramanyam tada व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञानादि घटितायाम अनुमिति सामग्र्याम सत्यामपि वन्नि ज्ञानानन्तरं धूमेन वन्निं कल्पयामि इति यदा अनुव्यवसायः तदा धूमस्य अर्थापत्ति विधया प्रामाण्यम इति तुल्यम. After iti, you don't need full stop because iti tulyam is one only. Tulyam samanam. This is same. Just as yadi sthanum sakshat karomi, there is a sthanum in front. Sthanum sakshat karomi. Shabdat, by this shabda jnanam, amum artham janami iti anuvyavasayat. So sthanum sakshat karomi is pratyaksha jnanam, let us take. Because it is pratyaksha, sthanum is there. And shabdat amum artham janami. That is separate vakya. Through shabda, I know something. This, whatever. Somebody says, what is this fruit? So shabdat aham janami. Or not this fruit. Let us say, somebody has not gone to Kedarnath. Bhavan Kedarnatham janati. So he'll say, shabdat. Shabdat amum artham janami. I know through shabda. Means I have seen, read, etc. So anuvyavasaya will be there for pratyaksha and shabda separate. Iti anuvyavasayat pratyaksha shabdayoho prathak pramanyam. For pratyaksha, once you have sthanu darshanam, anuvyavasaya will be sthanum sakshat karomi. Means sthanu is still there in front of me, I see it. Shabdadamum arthan janami, its anuvyavasaya will be accordingly. So pratyaksha shabdayoho prathak pramanyam, they both are separate pramanam. Tada. Tada means tarhi vyatireka vyapti jnanadi ghatitayam anumiti samagryam. Then vyatireka vyapti jnanadi ghatitayam anumiti samagri. That anumiti samagri which has vyatireka vyapti jnanam as its ghataka. Correct? Because anumiti requires vyapti. Vyapti, if it is vyatireka vyapti jnanadi ghatita anumiti. Ghatitayam anumiti samagryam satyamapi. Even when it is there, vanni jnananantaram dhumena vannim kalpayami. Iti yada anuvyavasaya, when such anuvyavasaya takes place, vanni jnananantaram, after vanni jnanam, धूमेन वह्निं कल्पयामि. From dhuma, I am doing vanni kalpanam. It is arthapatti. Upapadya jnanena upapadaka kalpanam. Vannim kalpayam. Iti, if such anuvyavasaya takes place, yada anuvyavasaya, tada. Dhumasya arthapatti vidaya pramanyam iti tulyam. So then, dhuma jnanam can come through arthapatti. Dhumasya arthapatti vidaya pramanyam. In other words, it is not going to eliminate another pramana. So he is suggesting that we can have Vyatireka Vyapti and we can still have Arthapatti also. Okay, further, Yadva. Third number tippani is see. Vyatireki Anumana Svikare Arthapatti he Pruthak Pramanya Abhyupagamo Vyarthaschet. Right? This is the discussion that we saw. If Vyatireka Anumana you accept, then Arthapatti as a separate pramana which was accepted will become Vyartha, will become futile. Vyarthaschet Anumanena eva pratyakshadi pramotpattehe sambhavena. Through Anumana, pratyakshadi prama also can take place, Shabda prama can also take place, etc. Sambhavena. Tesham pradhak karana anarthakyam syat. Then they also being separate, everything will become vyartham, futile. This is pratibandhya ashankate. Pratibandhi we saw Pratibandhi in Brahadaranyaka. Pratibandhi means whatever objection Purvapakshi is raising to Siddhanti, Siddhanti will raise same objection to Purvapakshi, like that. Further, in Tika, Yadva. Nirupadhi Vyatireka Sahacharena Anvaya Vyaptireva Grihyate iti. Vyatirekini api Anvaya Vyapti Jnanam eva Anumiti Hetu. Nirupadhi Vyatireka Sahacharena Anvaya Vyaptireva Grihyate. If this is the case, Nirupadhi Vyatireka Sahachara. Vyatireka Sahachar where there is no Upadhi. By this, Anvaya Vyaptireva Grihyate. If someone thinks or says Anvaya Vyapti itself is taken through this, iti Vyatirekini api Anvaya Vyapti Jnanam eva Anumiti Hetu. Vyatirekini api Anvaya Vyapti Jnanam eva Anumiti Hetu. In Vyatirekini means in Vyatireki Vyapti, Anvaya Vyapti Jnanam is the Hetu. How? What is he saying? If Vyatireka Vyapti is there, Vyatireka Sahachar. Sahachar means Vyapti. What is Sahachar according to Nyaya Bodhini? Samanadikaranya. Sahachar means Samanadikaranya. Maybe Padakritya has this. When we say Yatra Yatra Dhumas Tatra Tatra Vanni, means this is Sahachara Darshana. Sahachara Darshana means that Adhikarana where Dhuma is. In the same Adhikarana, Vanni will be there. This is Samanadikaranyam. Dhuma Vanni will be in one Adhikarana. In same Adhikarana, Dhuma Vanni both will be there. Dhuma is here, Vanni is here. There is no Vyapti. Because it is not Yatra Yatra. So he says nirupadhi, where there is vyatireka sahachara. Now 4 number tippani we have to see. Let's see. What is upadhi?
साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम्
Given there. साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम उपाधि ही 4 number tippani. Nirupadhi means upadhi shunya. Okay. यत्र वन्य भाव तत्र धूमा भाव इत्याकारको यो व्यतिरेकयोः वन्य भाव धूमा भावयोः सहचारः स निरूपाधि व्यतिरेक सहचारः. निरूपाधि व्यतिरेक सहचार we have to see what is nirupadhi. Nirupadhi means where sadhya vyapakate sati sadhana vyapakatvam is not there. Yatra vanya bhavas tatra dhuma bhava. This is ityakarako sahachara. He is just showing this sahachara. Yatra vanya bhava tatra dhuma bhava. Ityakarako yo vyatirekayoho vanya bhava dhuma bhavayoho sahachara. This sahachara is there. Saha nirupadhi vyatireka sahachara. This is nirupadhi vyatireka sahachara. Sahacharena means tena. By that, anvay vyapti jnanam will be there. Yatra dhumas tatra vannihi. If in this sahachara, if there is upadhi, then you will not get this anvay jnana. So, in Advaita Siddhi like Grantha, Chitsukhi also, Khandan also, such things are given. Let's say Purvapakshi does Anumanam. And in that Anumanam, there is no Upadhi. Now, but that Anumanam is erroneous. What will Siddhanti do? You have to find Vyatireka Vyapti. In that Vyatireka Vyapti, if there is Upadhi or not, you have to check. Means in the Anumanam of Purvapakshi, first you have to know Anvaya Vyapti. Like Yatra Dhumas Tatra Vanni, this is Anvaya Vyapti. Yatra Vanya Bhava Tatra Dhumada Bhava is Vyatireka. Then you have to see if there is Upadhi in that Vyatireka Vyapti. Means then you have to see Sadhya Vyapakatvam. Then you have to see Sadhana Vyapakatvam, etc. So somewhere there you can find a flaw. So he has shown the Sahachara. Now he gives Drashtanta Dhumavan Vannehe Ityadav. Dhuma Bhava Vanya Bhavayoho Yaha Sahachara. Dhumavan Vannehe. What is the Vyapti? What is the Vyapti?
यत्र यत्र वह्निः तत्र तत्र धूमः.
Everybody can keep unmute and answer quickly, because nobody should feel that I am not getting an opportunity to answer. Dhumavan vanne hai. Yatra yatra vannis tatra tatra dhuma. Dhuma bhava vanya bhava yoho yaha sahachara. In this vyapti, dhuma bhava vanya bhava, if there is a sahachara, satu upadhi vyabhicharita sambandhena vanni sanyoga bhavadi upadhi vishishtaha. In this sahachara, vanni sanyoga abhavadi upadhi vishishtaha. Upadhi will be vanni sanyoga abhava. Okay. Dhumavan vanne hai. Is it sad hetu or asad hetu? Hmm? Somebody said असद हेतु, it's not सद हेतु. धूमवान वन्य है, यत्र यत्र वन्य तत्र तत्र धूम इज असद हेतु. साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्व रूप लक्षणस्य. So your upadhi lakshana is sadhya vyapakatve sati sadhana vyapakatvam. Instead of sadhya, you use vyapaka. Instead of sadhana, you use vyapya. So the upadhi lakshana will become vyapaka vyapakatve sati vyapya vyapakatvam iti arthakatvam. Vyapaka vyapakatve sati vyapya vyapakatvam. This is the meaning. तथा च. This much is clear.
Yes, Swamiji.
Nothing has started. Main thing is starting now. Only he has said one asad hetu, and he says what is the upadhi in this asad hetu, vanni sanyoga bhava. And upadhi lakshana he gave, sadhya vyapakatve sati sadhana vyapakatvam. Instead of sadhya is vyapaka. So instead of using the word sadhya, he has used vyapaka vyapakatve sati, and sadhana means vyapya. So he says vyapya vyapakatvam.
Yes.
Vyapya vyapakatvam. तथा च. Now you see. यत्र वन्य अभावो जल हृदय तत्र वन्य अभाव वन्य संयोगा भाव संयोगा दीर्घ. Because he already said वन्य संयोगा भाव is the उपाधि. यत्र वन्य अभाव is in जल हृदय तत्र वन्य संयोग अभाव रूपस्य उपाधे है सत्वात्. In जल हृदय वन्य अभाव is there. There वन्य संयोग अभाव is also there. Okay, सत्वात्. So now vyapaka vanni abhava vyapakatvena sadhya vyapakatvam is there. Why? Because vyapaka vyapakatve sati is there first part. So vyapaka vyapakatvam is, what is the vyapaka? Vanni abhava. How did you get vanni abhava as vyapaka? Vanni abhava is vyapaka or vyapya?
Vakni abhava is vyapaka.
Vanni abhava is vyapaka. How?
धूमवान वन्य.
Is it clear?
Has
Dhuma is vyapaka or vanni is vyapaka?
Vakni is vyapaka. Dhuma is vyapya.
No, just answer my question. Dhuma is vyapaka or vanni is vyapaka?
Vakni is vyapaka.
Vanni is vyapaka. If vanni is vyapaka, vanni abhav will be
व्याप्य.
But here it is given vyapaka vanni abhava vyapakatvena. Because when we say vanni is vyapaka and dhuma is vyapya, it is in the anumanam which is sad anumanam, sad hetu. Parvato vanniman dhumat. Here he is using for asad anumanam. Asad hetu is what? Dhumavan vanne hai. So in this asad anumanam, where upadhi is there vyapaka will be vanni abhava. And vyapya will be dhuma bhava. This is erroneous anumanam. In erroneous anumanam alone there will be upadhi. To show somewhere upadhi, you have to use erroneous drishtanta only. So Vyapaka Vyapya will be different. What is Vyapaka Vyapya in Sad Anumanam? It will not be the case in Asad Hetu. So here Vyapaka is Vanya Bhava. Vyapya is Dhuma Bhava. Because according to Purvapaksha, what he is thinking, Yatra Yatra Dhuma Bhava, Tatra Tatra Vanya Bhava. Right? Because according to him, Yatra Yatra Vanya, Tatra Tatra Dhuma, which is Asad Hetu. Is this clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
साध्य व्यापकत्वम व्यापक वन्य अभाव व्यापकत्वेन साध्य व्यापकत्वम यत्र धूमा भावस् तत्र वन्य संयोगा भावा भावो यथा अयोगोलके इति साधना व्यापकत्वम. And where धूमा भाव is there in अयोगोलक, तत्र वन्य संयोग अभाव is उपाधि. साधन अव्यापकत्वम. So sadhana avyapakatvam upadhi. For upadhi sadhana avyapakatvam you have to show in paksha. Sadhya vyapakatvam you have to show in everything is going above the head. Drishtanta, correct. Sadhya vyapakatvam you have to show in drishtanta. Sadhana vyapakatvam you have to show in paksha. Upadhi part I had mentioned, you have to know thoroughly, because this part will confuse you otherwise, and never until the end of Anumanam you will get this correct. You have to sit down and you have to write everything down. Then only you will have it. Yatra dhuma bhavas, tatra vanya sanyoga bhava bhava. Vanya sanyoga abhava means vanya sanyoga. Yatha ayogolake iti sadhana vyapakatvam. So upadhi is there now. Sadhya vyapakatvam you found, because where vanya abhava is there, vanya sanyoga abhava is there. And where dhuma bhava is there and vanya is there, that is in ayogolaka. You found that. Therefore, there is upadhi. What is the upadhi here?
Vanya Sayog.
What is the upadhi?
Vahni Sanyoga Abhava.
Vanya sanyoga abhava is the upadhi. You have to read everything. Vyapaka abhavad vyapya bhavaha. Vyapako, if I don't complete this now, next time I will have to explain everything again. Okay. So I will finish these next two lines. Vyapaka abhavad vyapya abhavaha. If vyapaka abhava is there, vyapaka abhavad vyapya abhava. Vyapaka upadehe ayogolake. So according to Purvapaksha, vyapaka was vanya bhava. Vanya bhava dhuma bhava. In this, vyapaka upadehe ayogolake abhavat. Vyapaka upadhi is absent in ayogolaka. Vyapyasya vanya bhavasya abhavaha. Vanya abhava is vanya rupaha. Evam cha ayogolake vanya abhava nasti. In ayogolak, vanya abhava is not there, but dhuma abhava is there. This is the vyabhichara. So what he showed, iti vyabhichara, vyabhicharon nayakataya, vyatireka sahachara upadhi vyabhicharita sambandhena upadhiman ityartha. Where vyatireka sahachara is there, but in vyatireka sahachara, if there is vyabhichara also, so it is vyabhichara unnayakataya vyatireka sahachara, there upadhi is present. If it is only sahachara and no vyabhichara in that, then there is no upadhi. Then it will become nirupadhi vyatireka sahachara. So he showed we need vyatireka sahachara, but vyatireka sahachara without upadhi. If you include upadhi, then it will not give anvaya vyapti. Okay. So I am assuming everybody should listen to at least all these portions again. Okay. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।